Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to connect solar. Very simple. Solar. So you need is a battery, solar controller, and the solar, of course. My solar is up there on the roof. So this is the wire. This is the wire. Like this. This is the wire. You see the panel, solar, and then battery. You just connect. Remember the positive, the negative, and then the load. This load outputs 12 volts depending on the battery. This solar controller will connect 12 volts and 24. Okay, all you have to do is just connect. Okay, see you on the next video. Add your comments below. Subscribe.